Good morning, everybody. Hello. Okay, if you're seeing this video, then it worked, and I cannot wait to share this with you. You'll never see this video if it didn't work. Okay, so I have a client coming. I am burning up. Just got out of the shower and letting my hair dry for a little bit before she gets here. So, okay, confession time. Once again, the only time I vacuum my studio is when I have a client coming to either drop off a quilt or pick up a quilt, or to pick up something else. That's the only time I vacuum. And let me show you what I do all day long. This is me. All day long. It's a habit I have. I've tried to break myself of it. And I'm just, you know what? I'm just I'm busy. I try to go. And all the threads go on the floor. And let me just tell you, I've been dreading this morning because I knew I'd have to vacuum. So have you ever experienced this? Trying to vacuum your carpet and the roller won't go because it is so clogged and bound with strings. I have sat with this vacuum. This makes maybe the 20th time unbinding the roller on the bottom of the vacuum. And sometimes it's quick, and sometimes I have spent 2 hours unpicking the threads. Let me show you all the threads that I got out of the bottom of this vacuum cleaner. Now here's the thing, I'm not ashamed to show you. That's work to me. That's progress, right? That shows that I've been busy. I'm just human. But let me show you the current state of my floor. So this past week I've been working on making the blocks and quilting the Liberty Wall sampler, and you saw the video yesterday as I was quilting and binding that quilt, and all of the long basting stitches that I did, y'all, those just went on the floor. I would unpick them, scoot them off my table right onto the floor. So that is the current state of my floor, and my vacuum is not running. And I have a client coming. But the thing is, I knew that this was coming, and so I'm hoping that this worked. And it did. So I can't wait to show you. Let me show you what I got. Okay, I'm going to move over and show you. I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday. And let me just, okay, here's another confession. I was watching Facebook a couple days ago, and this stuck in my mind because my girls, they have dogs. And they bring their dogs in the car. And I saw a video on Facebook of a do-it-yourself dog hair removal. This girl hot glued some pumice stones to a board, and she used that as a brush to clean the carpets in her car, and it got rid of the dog hair, and it really worked. And I was like, whoa, okay, I don't want to use a pumice stone on my carpet. That's kind of harsh. So what else can I do? And I was driving to the grocery store yesterday, and there's a Dollar Tree there, and I'm like, what can I get from the Dollar Tree? Let me go in the Dollar Tree. And so this is what I got. I got one of the handles that have the screw at the bottom. So you can put the different attachments like the little squeegee. You can put the broom. You can put the Swiffer attachment on it. And I got that. And I got a package of Velcro strips from the Dollar Tree. Sorry, I'm going to move over here so I can see when my client pulls in the driveway. So what the little Swiffer pad that I bought has some of the one part of the Velcro strip already attached to two ends of it, but it's sunken in, and that's just there to hold the pads, you know, the Swiffer pads on, but it's sunken into the base of that Swiffer thing. So I'm going to hot glue some new parts of Velcro. The more coarse side of the Velcro, not the fuzzy side, but the really scratchy side of the Velcro. I'm hot gluing 2 strips of that right onto the Swiffer pad, and we're going to screw this onto the handle, and we're going to give it a try. And so I set up the camera so that you could see my floor and see what this little contraption did to clean my floor, and it worked. It's funny the things we get excited about. But y'all, I feel like I don't even have to vacuum my floor before she comes, which is good because I'm burning up. I always get hot after taking a shower. I don't mind telling you these things. I like to keep it real here on my channel. But look at what it's doing to my floor. And I even brought it over to where the long arm is, because this area of carpet, y'all, the strings that I trim off of the quilt tops as I'm quilting them, I like to clip the little strings for my clients that might be sewed in the seams. And as I'm quilting, I'm cutting the thread tails off and all of that fun stuff. All of that ends up on the floor and clogs up my vacuum. So, yes. Okay, so I cannot be alone on this, right? I mean, I can't be the only one who has dealt with the strings. I'm not the only quilter that has had to use their seam ripper to pick off threads. I know I cannot be the only one. So for $3, head to your Dollar Tree. Grab these 3 things, a glue gun and some glue sticks. In less than 5 minutes, you're going to have this little miracle contraption that helps save your vacuum cleaner, save you time and frustration, and keeps you busy sewing. Okay, I just had to share this. Again, it's funny the things we get excited about. I'm going to go keep an eye out for my client to pull up. I hope you have a fantastic day. Let me know down in the comments if you're going to try this, and if you have tried it, how did it work? And if you have another way of picking up all these threads from your carpet without using the vacuum, I'd love to hear about it. Comment down below. See y'all soon. Bye.